Before we start this video, I would like you to click on the like button to like this video. Nkemowo, popularly known as Osofia, is a Nigerian veteran actor known for his comic movies. He has been acting movies for a very long time and he's still as hot as ever. As an actor, he charges about 2 million naira per movie and has starred in more than 355 movies. As a musician, Nkemowo is also known for his hit song I Go Chop Your Dollar, which is about advanced fee fraud. The song was a continental hit back then in 2006. The song was also featured in a movie titled The Master, in which Nkemowo played the role of a scammer. He has other songs which are Susanna, Nomi When I'm Poor, Akaraka Nime Jesus, and many more. Nkemowo is the brand ambassador of Hero Alcoholic Drink, MTN. Osofia was in NDC campaign advert in Ghana, where he met the Ghana president one-on-one. Nkemowo is not the type of man that flaunts his expensive lifestyle on social media, but he has a house in Enugu and Lagos. He also has a lot of expensive cars. Pete Edochie. Pete Edochie is a veteran Nigerian actor. As an actor, Pete Edochie charges about 3 million naira per movie and has acted in more than 300 movies. In 2005, the Actor Guild of Nigeria placed Pete Edochie and few other actors on a 1-year ban for charging too much from movie producers. Pete Edochie has been around the movie industry for so many decades. In 2003, he was honored as the Member of Order of Nigeria by President Olusegun Obasanjo. In 2018, Pete Edochie endorsed Wikimedia movement by appearing in a video to increase the use of Wikipedia by old generation. John Okafor. John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. B, is a Nigerian comic actor. He has starred in a lot of Nigerian movies and charges around 2 million naira per movies. And he has also bagged endorsement deals with companies like GoTV, Merrybet, which is a sports betting company, Glow, Kingdom Lottery, and many more. His expensive cars include white BMW, Lexus SUV, and many others. John Okafor has a house in Festac Town, Lagos, and also Lekki, Lagos. Not that all, he also has a mansion in Enugu State. Mike Ezuonye. Mike Ezuonye is one of the most talented and big boys in Nollywood movie industry. He worked as a banker prior to becoming an actor. As an actor, Mike Ezuonye charges from 1.5 to 2 million naira per movies and he has starred in more than 350 movies. As a movie producer, Watford Premiership team endorsed Mike Ezuonye's movie, Brother Cheku. He has signed a lot of lucrative endorsement deals such as Airtel, Technocool with fellow Nollywood actress Chioma Chukwuka, DPK Homes and Property Limited, K-Pop Popcorn, Glow, and many more. Mike Ezuonye has a multi-million naira mansion in Lekki, Lagos. His expensive cars include Range Rover Sport, Mercedes-Benz ML SUV, Acura SUV, Lamborghini Aventador, and many more. Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is a Nigerian actor and entrepreneur. As an actor, he is one of the most paid big boys in Nollywood. As a movie producer and director, Yul Edochie has made a lot of wealth by producing and directing various popular movies in Nigeria. In 2015, Yul Edochie opened a movie academy in Lagos known as Yul Edochie Film Academy. Aside from movie acting, Yul Edochie is also a politician. He was the SSA to Anambra State Governor on Creative and Entertainment Media from July 2018 to December 2018. On the 14th of July 2017, Yul Edochie declared his intention to run for the governor of Anambra State. Yul Edochie and his only daughter model for Nino smartwatch. He is the brand ambassador of Formatex Pharmaceutical Company, Long Reach, Citizen Journalist Network, Afrosima Century Garden Estate, Oros Fragrance, and many more. In 2020, Yul Edochie signed an endorsement deal with Paint Rosette. Yul Edochie has a house in Anambra State and also in Lekki where he currently lives. His expensive cars include Mercedes-Benz GL450, Honda Accord, Range Rover Sport, and many more. Ositi Heme. From his looks alone, it is hard to tell that Ositi Heme is actually very rich. How did he earn this much? Well, for starters, his career has spanned for over 19 years. Ositi Heme began acting in 2001 and starred in over 500 movies till date, and this must have brought him quite a fortune. However, that is not the only source of his income. Ositi Heme is actually a successful businessman. One of the things he is known for is owning a hotel in Owerri, Imo State. Construction began back in 2015 and the hotel has been up and running since the early 2018. The luxury hotel is called The Resident. They had to also acquire the karaoke bar. It is called The Indoors. Ositiheme also has a huge farm filled with various vegetables. It is also known that Ositiheme is the owner of a transportation company. He is the co-creator and owner of a movie production company known as APN, which stands for Akinapopo Entertainment Nigeria. Ositiheme launched it back in 2012 with his fellow Nollywood actor and friend Chinedu Kedeze. For his cars, we only know that he owns a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. As for Ositiheme's mansion, we didn't know much about it until not long ago. His estate can be found in Owerri, Imo State, where the rest of his other enterprises are, and is said to worth more than 300 million naira. Ramsey Nouah. Ramsey Nouah is a Nollywood loverboy actor who has featured in a lot of countless Nollywood movies. As an actor, Ramsey Nouah charges about 3 million naira per movie and he has starred in more than 350 movies. Ramsey Nouah is also a movie director and producer. He made his directorial debut in the movie titled Living in Bondage Break Free in 2019. In 2015, he secured the right to Living in Bondage by Kenneth Nebua for a possible remake to be filmed in Europe, America, and Nigeria. Ramsey Nouah is not the type that flaunts his expensive lifestyle on social media. For the record, he is known for keeping everything about him private, including his wife and children. But we managed to know some of his expensive cars. Ramsey Nouah has 2 Range Rover Sports, the white one and the black one. His other cars include Aston Martin DBS, Tesla Model S, and many more. He also has a house in Lekki, Lagos. ROMD. Richard Mofe-Damijo is one of the few Nigerian celebrities who have raked a lot of wealth in the Nigerian movie industry, not just an actor, but as a movie director and producer. Out of the Bond was the first film for which he received writer and producer's credit. As an actor, Richard Mofe-Damijo charges about 2 to 3 million naira per movies, and he has starred in more than 400 movies. Aside from acting, Richard Mofe-Damijo has also made millions from politics. He was appointed as the special advisor of culture and tourism to the then governor Emmanuel Udaram in 2008 and then became the commissioner of culture and tourism of Delta State in 2009, and his tenure ended in 2015. ROMD has raked a lot of wealth from partnership and being brand ambassador for top brands in Nigeria. He is in partnership with Johnny Walker alongside with Nigerian music producer Don Jazzy. He joined the Revolution Real Estate Company, Land Lagos, as the ambassador. He is also the brand ambassador of Glow. In 2020, LG Electronics unveiled ROMD as their brand ambassador. ROMD is not the type that flaunts his expensive lifestyle on social media, but he owns an expensive house at Omole Estate Lekki Phase 1 Lagos. And he also has a mansion in Delta State. His expensive cars include BMW 4 Series Coupe, Toyota Land Cruiser, and many more. He has a Patek Philippe wristwatch worth 25 million naira. Jim Iyke. Jim Iyke has taken movie acting, movie business, and movie production to his own advantage by earning so much from his craft. As an actor, Jim Iyke charges about 2 million naira per movie and he has starred in more than 200 movies. He is also a renowned movie producer and director. His movie production, known as Untimed Record, is responsible for producing quite a number of Nigerian movies, which in turn bring back more money to his bank account. Aside from acting, Jim Iyke is also an entrepreneur and businessman. He is the owner of Bogyon Table Water. He is also the owner of a fashion brand known as Untimed Closet. In 2018, Jim Iyke bagged an endorsement deal with a real estate company known as Henry Montego Homes. He is the ambassador of Glow, where its all-men luxury brand, Mr. Tazi, Adonko Bitters, and many more. Jim Iyke has a lot of expensive cars, which include Plymouth Prowler Convertible, Chevrolet Camaro, Toyota Camry, Mercedes-Benz CLS 600, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, Rolls-Royce, Honda SUV, Range Rover Sport, Ferrari F12, Toyota Land Cruiser, and many more. He has a house in Abuja. He also has a mansion in Lekki, Lagos, where he currently lives. Desmond Elliot. Desmond Elliot is one of the iconic Nollywood actors in Nigeria. As an actor, Desmond Elliot charges about 2.5 million naira per movies and he has starred in more than 350 Nigerian movies. He is also a movie producer who has made much money from movie productions. Desmond Elliott is the founder of Dean's Yacht Productions. He's also involved in public relations of Globacom, that's Glow. He's the brand ambassador of Guinness Beer, the Dream Center, and many more. Aside from acting, Desmond Elliott is a politician, and you know what that means to his bank account. He contested and won the Surulere constituency in the 11th April 2015 general election. As we all know, Desmond Elliott is not the type that flaunts his expensive lifestyle on social media. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian actors inspires you a lot or is your favorite? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also don't forget to click on the red subscribe button if you are new to this channel. And also follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy, Ejimozi.